issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southwestern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, northwestern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, northern Bristol County in Rhode Island, Providence County in Rhode Island, until 8:15 p.m. At 5:11 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 4 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Providence, Warwick, Cranston, Pawtucket, East Providence, Woonsocket, Coventry, Cumberland, North Providence, Franklin, West Warwick, Johnson, North Attleboro, Mansfield, Smithfield, Lincoln, Central Falls, Norton, and Foxborough. What? Flooding.
Another flashy flood warning. Get it?
The National Weather Service in Norton has issued a flash flood warning for northern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, northwestern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 8:15 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 4 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
There's a considerable flash flood warning.
Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Neominster, Pittsburgh, Westford, Godnow, Hogan, Clinton, Apple, Pepperell, Kingsborough, Groton, Winchell, Lunenburg, Townsend, Littleton, Lancaster, Templeton, Rutland, Sterling, and Westminster.
Oh, sick!
Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks until 7:30 p.m. At 5:37 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Albany, Effingham, Wilkesboro, Wakefield, and Tuftonboro. By thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks, streets, and underpasses, as well as other that will experience flash flooding include Ossipee, Effingham, Wilford, 74, and Tufton. Bangor was cloudy and 71. And in Calgary, cloudy, 64.
Nothing's gonna go off?
Springfield. Get indoors when you hear thunder. Do not resume outdoor activities until at least 30 minutes after the storm has passed. Do not drive through flooded roads or underpasses. Avoid avoid low-lying areas near small streams. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. For your safety, go indoors or to your vehicle. These storms may intensify and become severe. Stay tuned.
There it goes.
The National Weather Service in Norton has issued a flash flood warning for southern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, eastern Hamden County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts until 9 p.m. At 5:51 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 4 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Worcester, Springfield, Chicopee, Holyoke, Amherst, Shrewsbury, Northampton, Agawam, West Springfield, Ludlow, Grafton, South Hadley, Hogan, Southbridge, Auburn, East Hampton, Longmeadow, East Longmeadow, Vale, Fairtown, and Wilbraham.
Sick.
It's only the work footage.
$99.9.
Caused by thunderstorms.
No, don't go off yet.
Poor drainage and low-lying areas.
I want this to go
That
off.
will experience flash flooding include Nashua, Derry, Merrimack, Salem, Amherst, Litchfield, Paulus, and Mason. This includes interstate.
Safety alert! Safety alert!
Let's go.
Serious. I need to get some new shirts for my business.
957. Let's go. Unrecognized warning.
Norton has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts until 10:30 p.m. At 7:22 p.m., emergency management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain in Leominster, roadways being washed out and flood waters entering homes and business. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 4 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. This is a flash flood emergency emergency for Leominster.
Holy crap in a...
Situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, emergency management reported. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding.
Holy freaking crap!
Pittsburgh, Lunenburg, Lancaster, Sterling, Westminster, Shirley, and Princeton.
Holy sh**, that was a flash flood emergency! Oh, damn, dude. I was not expecting that tonight. That's insane.
County in central Massachusetts, southwestern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, northwestern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, northern Bristol County in Rhode Island, Providence County in Rhode Island, until 11:15 p.m. At 8:14 p.m., local law enforcement reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Flooding is ongoing in the warned area. Between 2 and 6 inches of rain have fallen.
2 and 6 inches.
0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned
Down
area.
south by where I saw that one flash flow warning.
Will experience flooding include Manchester, Nashua, Derry, Merrimack, Bedford, Milford, Hooksett, Amherst, and Litchfield, Hollis, and Brookline.
Yeah.
At 6:37
No, it's
p.m.
not. Oh, I looked at the wrong thing. I thought it was Boston. Yes. Crap, this might be a doubleheader. That was over 2. BW, I didn't know what's that. What's that?
Downstream through Hollis. Flooding will impact low-lying businesses along Route 119 and crest of 9.3 feet early Wednesday morning. It will then fall below flood stage late Wednesday evening. Flood stage is 2.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 9.4 feet on May 16, 2006. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. What? Flooding caused by excessive until 11 a.m. Tuesday.
You hear me?
I hear you, I understand. I understand. I'm shutting it off after this. This is an option pretty much. It's only 1050 hertz.
Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Additional details: at 10:55 p.m., local law enforcement reported flooding in the Warren area. Between 3 and 8 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Providence, Warwick, Cranston, Pawtucket, East Providence, Woonsocket, Cumberland, North Providence, Franklin, Johnston, North Abilene.
It's almost done.